Hello and welcome to the Embedded World 2013 here in Nuremberg, Germany. My name is Matthias Huber, I'm the VP of Marketing for ADLINK Technology. I would like to introduce you to some of our technologies that we have introduced at the show. One of them is called SEMA. SEMA is for Smart Embedded Management Agent. You might ask yourself, what is that? We have realized that in the embedded world, the customers need to have a technology to be able to see vital signs about the product and monitor the product as it performs in the field. So SEMA has several functions, and I only mentioned a few of them. For example, you can set a watchdog and have the watchdog be activated so that in case your software collapses, the system does a reboot or comes to a safe shutdown. Other functions are, for example, a power monitoring function. As we see it here on the screen, you can measure and log the actual power consumption of the board. Enables you to have intelligence about the system if there's a malfunction, if the power goes too far up or too far down outside the ordinary. Also, we can measure the minimum and maximum temperature of the board. It's also stored for future record keeping, meaning that if there's a malfunction on the board, you can go back and look in the log and see if the temperature has risen above a critical stage to do a root cause analysis of the failure of the board. There are several other functions to see fan speed, CPU temperatures, etc., to give a big picture of the vital signs of the actual board in the system. There is a driver that allows it to use that on all major operating systems, as well a remote function is enabled. So you can use a web browser to see those vital stats in the system through your network. The SEMA technology is realized by an embedded controller that's part of the circuit board design to enable those functions. The software to make this happen is actually open source code, so it can be utilized in your application as it is necessary. The core module 920, part of the PC104 family, features the SEMA remote management technology. Other members are the COM Express product line. We have major groups, for example, the new 4th generation Intel core technology on the so-called Type 6 COM Express. We also have 3rd generation of the core. We also have the so-called Type 2 technology, which is a different pinout. It's more as a classical pinout for the COM Express boards. We have in the future the 4th generation is now the 3rd generation. And also the so-called mini format, which features Intel Atom single and dual core processors. All of those boards are actually available in either standard temperature range, 0 to 70 degrees centigrade, or also as an option up to extreme ruggedized temperatures of -40 to +85 degrees. ADLINK also has a full set of embedded box PCs. The Matrix line. The Matrix is a purpose-built computer for industrial environments for -20 to +70 degrees centigrade, as well as a complete fanless and cableless design. So there's no parts that can break because they will eventually do so. The line has 3 major blocks. We see the 1300 series. It's built on an Intel dual-core Atom. The 5300 series is built on an Intel Core i7 processor. Again, still fully fanless cooled. And then we have the 6000 series, as you see over here, again, Intel Core i7 with 2 or 4 expansion slots for expansion cards like data acquisition and so on. As you can see, ADLINK has a very rich portfolio of products. ADLINK is an embedded computing technology provider that has products from the small form factor, extreme rugged products like COM Express in the mini format or PC104, all the way up through embedded box PC, compact PCI and ATCA products. ADLINK produces what is called application-ready intelligent platforms. The intelligent, have we seen already today, is based on the SEMA technology and other technologies as they apply to the standards. Thank you for your time. I hope you found good information. For more information, you can visit our website.